Hi all, my name is Michael. I'm the analyst and content creator on the Daily Charts YouTube channel. Welcome to our mentorship program. And when I say now new and revamped, I mean listening to our customers, which is our viewers. And our viewers demanded at all costs, on top of stocks, which is obviously trivial, cryptos. So this is the update here. We have dozens of hours and many crypto videos, and the mentorship program is going to be incorporating trading cryptos, not really day trading cryptos, because cryptos is an amazing instrument, but it's not really built for day trading. I think it's built for swing trading. Again, there is no swing because this instrument trades 24/7. Anyway, this is the major difference. Stocks, we always focused on stocks. Cryptos, we are now focusing 50-50, and of course we're complementing those two instruments with ETFs and commodities. But basically the main focus stays in stocks and cryptos. So what is this mentorship program all about? It's all about, first of all, learning from our YouTube channel. Those who are new to the channel need to basically get acquainted with 350, not 350, but at least 20 or 30 educational videos to understand the mindset of this program, and then take the program if you so desire. We are welcoming everybody. Please wait until the end of this presentation. There is a surprise there also. Now, who am I? I'm a mentor, trader, and let's call it teacher in the business of day trading for the past 15 years. My name is Michael Orevi. Those who traded alongside Meir Barak, and sometimes way in the past alongside the late Chris Mercer, know me from there. I'm definitely one of their, I hope I'm one of their most important student, or one that persevered 15 years in the business. And basically the idea here is use my experience to upgrade your performance when you are either day trading or swing trading, or using any type of instrument that you feel comfortable with. And the idea here is to do it one-on-one over Zoom or over other media, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So we're going to focus in this mentorship basically on content from our 350 educational videos, okay? And it is one-on-one. So one-on-one means that you, as the student, are creating the content. So you're interested in content about cryptos, we're going to deal with cryptos. You're interested about swing trading, we're going to deal with swing trading. If you can day trade and you have 3 to 5 hours per day, obviously we're going to focus on the best market ever, which is stocks in 2025. So the idea is, either if you are a day trader or a swing trader or a combination of both, this mentorship program is clearly for you. In this mentorship program, we're going to focus on consistency over perfection, journalism of the trades, important, mental discipline important, but the most important by far, without any, I mean, I won't say that there is something that's not important, but there is super important in trading, and this is patience and selectivity. You must be super selective when you trade stocks or cryptos, because there are so many. You don't focus on the right one, your probability of making money decreases by many factors, and your probability to lose money increases by many factors. So the idea here is that you must be selective. You must be use a very systematic approach, and use this, which is the focus of our mentorship. High probability trading setups. This is crucial. Okay, so this is basically the essence of the mentorship program. I can stop it right here, right now. With regard to trading strategy, we're going to focus on three. The main one, which is basically used, and again, it's not like something that I developed or have anything to do other than implementing it the right way. Momentum breakout trading, that applies to all markets. Crypto, stocks, ETFs, momentum breakout trading can go intraday, can go on the daily chart. Momentum is super important. We want to be part of momentum moves, and we want to be using huge risk reward as our targets. That's super important for any day trader, swing trader, any trader, basically. Not to investors though. Not so much to investors. The second strategy that we're going to focus on is applies mainly to stocks, but it can be implemented in other markets as well, which is using support zone reversals and how to use support versus breakout. So it's easy to find a breakout trade and buy the breakout either at the resistance level or at the highs of the day. But buying it at support has better qualities, being that you buy cheaper and you buy with very little risk. So this is actually a part of the mentorship that's super important, and I think that there aren't that many programs that are teaching these unique setups that are driving from finding the right stocks which are very volatile and have momentum, but buying them instead of a breakout, which is very easy and trivial, buying them at support. And when you buy them at support, you save money, and this is save money, save risk, and this is super important for any trader. The third strategy that we're going to focus is intraday reversal plays. That applies mainly to stocks. I'm not going to talk about V-shaped reversals. So I cannot teach, let me point it again, I cannot teach this type of a reversal. The V-shaped reversal is very, very hard to teach, implement, and work. But I can teach you this type of a reversal. So the stock is moving up, then pulls back, then reverses, gives us a stop loss, and then the question is, where do you enter? Do you enter close to the stop loss or away from the stop loss? Anyway, this is tradable. This setup here is tradable. The V-shape is not tradable. So this is part of the strategy, how to trade these pullbacks on very, very strong stocks that wait here 10 minutes, 20 minutes. If they wait 30 minutes, it's easier. But if they wait only 10 minutes or 20 minutes, you need to act relatively fast. And again, that applies only to stocks. So the idea here is to get also big on the risk reward, 3-to-1, 4-to-1. Sometimes you'll get into the business of the 10-to-1 risk reward, or reward risk, sorry. 10-to-1 reward risk, meaning you have a super profitable, amazing trading day. So let's summarize because it's very simple. What is this mentorship program all about? It's all about mastering one thing. This, risk. If you master risk, then you can learn, and if you learn you're smart, and you can eventually make money. So that's basically the process. Master the risk, then learn, then make money. It cannot work the other way, I'm sorry. And it cannot work without learning. So learning is part of the process, especially when you day trade. And swing trade, it's not going to work without learning the right strategy. So again, position signing is important. It's part of mastering the risk. Stop loss is crucial because it's part of mastering the risk. And the result is risk reward, or reward risk. So we call it the big R and the small r. This is the reward, must be very big. And the R must be very small. So if you have 5-to-1, either intraday or on the daily chart, you're going to do very well. And you're going to trade 2 to 1, you're not going to do very well. And if you're going to do 1 to 1, you're going to lose money. And sometimes you're going to go 1 to 2, and that's terrible. But if you're going to master risk, it's going to stay at 1, either 1% or 1 risk unit, doesn't matter what. I prefer 1%. And the market, which is amazing, will give you 5, sometimes 6, sometimes 4, sometimes 3. But if you add 3, 4, and 5, that's 12. And you're going to have 3 losses, that's 3. And 12 units or 12% to the upside, you're going to still end up with 9% on your positions. And even if your position is only $10,000, that's 900. Okay, I'm not going to deal with money right now because that's too early. But the idea here is that this is where this mentorship is going. Now regarding the tough or the big elephant in the room, money. The class or the mentorship is over Zoom, one-on-one. Let me emphasize, one-on-one. So there are no other people other than me and you, the mentor. And it costs $1,500 for 6 hours. And those 6 hours can be 4 sessions of 2 hours, of an hour and a half, 2 sessions of 3 hours, in a very, very unlimited, but no, I cannot say that if you want 6 sessions of 1 hour, I will adjust. I mean, I had only one person that had issues and couldn't sit in front of the charts more than an hour at a time. But overall, I think it's 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and the idea here is here you learn 3 hours, and then we implement one-on-one. And again, this is how most of my classes are. Again, it's one-on-one. You want 2, 2, and 2, 2, 1, whatever. So that's totally flexible. The payment is now upgraded to use Skrill as well from those who are not in the United States, from Eastern Europe and other places in the world. So you can use Skrill if you don't have PayPal. I obviously prefer PayPal. So the method of approaching us is through our mail, which is posted, the old mail, which is the same mail, the Charts Maverick at gmail.com. You can use my private email, and of course my WhatsApp. But please try not to call me, because sometimes I'm eating, I'm with my family, I'm teaching, I'm working. So best way to communicate is either through WhatsApp, perfect, and obviously to our email. And let me summarize: 1490, that comes to $250 per hour. I think it's 30 to 40% cheaper than our previous offers. So that's, sorry, not percentages, that's dollars per hour. Again, I hope it was clear and productive. Thanks for watching. We spent together 13 minutes plus. So thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe. If you don't want to participate, no problem. Just watch our videos. It will help you a lot in your day trading, swing trading, whatever you're trading, whatever strategies. And those who want to participate, again, do get in touch with us, and we'll clearly and gladly accommodate you. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.